Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. I apologize for the noise. Their uh, landscaper is next door, but I wanted to get this out to you. A couple of things. I'm expecting some market weakness to continue for a few days. I still like the theme of commodities uh, over stocks. And today in Europe, there was some very hawkish economic data suggesting that inflation was rising there and bond yields have gone up. And so maybe there's less of a chance of those countries cutting their interest rates, which would weaken their currency. And so, maybe the dollar will not be rallying here as people were expecting, and that would be bullish for commodity prices. So I know that's a lot to digest, but I did want to throw it out there. Again, it's rational. We all know the market's not rational, but I did want to communicate that. But let's get into this. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was platinum. I think it's a good buying opportunity today, down about 2%. Was also down yesterday, probably 2%. And you can see our stops at 87. I would get out of this, but I was a big buyer today. And the bigger picture is suggesting a lot higher of a price projection than 104. I want to say the potential upside is somewhere around 60 to 70% based on the charts. So I'd be buying platinum before the close. FXI, the China large cap ETF. I'd be buying this also. It's not down much today, but it's been down the last couple of weeks. They had some positive economic news today, suggesting expansion for the first time in a couple of years. So, that's the great thing about technical analysis. The charts are showing you that before you start getting the data. The data is always backward looking. So I'd be buying FXI. GDX, the gold miners, down quite a bit today, down 3% this week, was down last week, and we still have more upside to go, potential upside. You can see I've raised my stop to 36 from 34 to make sure we lock in some gains. But I'd be buying that. I'd be buying GDX, the gold miners ETF on weakness. Marathon Oil having a huge day, up over 7% today. This is a weekly chart, so it shows the weekly bar up 5.5%. I'd be selling some today on this strength. I have a buy rating, but sell some because it's up so much and a stop at 25. XLE, the Spider ETF. I'm a little more concerned about this, but it's up 1.5 today, 1.5% today. I have a buy rating, but I'd be selling some with a stop at 86. On the daily chart, we have some overhead resistance right here. So I would be selling some of XLE. I'm going to sell a good amount, even though the long-term outlook still looks great. And the REIT index, IYR. Still have a buy rating on it with a stop at 98. So, there's not a lot of downside that I'm going to stomach here with a stop at 98. But I would be buying some on weakness. I expect to see REITs outperform, especially. Uh, so I just wanted to get that across to you. So those are the things today that I think I'd be adding to on this weakness. And over the weekend, I'll be commenting on all the holdings because we'll have weekly bars. Each one of these bars represents a week, so we really need a weekly close to know where we are on copper and some of the other things. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. You get these intraday. Thank you.